Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So you probably guessed from the title, thumbnail, this is going to be a pre-holiday clean with me. I've mentioned on my channel before, every time we go on holiday, for some reason I have like a burning desire to completely blitz the house. I don't know, it turns out I'm not quite so strange on my own because a lot of people have said that they need to do the same. So I'm hoping you get to see the majority of the house in this video. Since I had my daughter, I've had to split my cleaning videos up, so you usually see me do like the downstairs and then the bedrooms. I can't get it all into one because I just don't have that much time to clean anymore, but I am planning on roping my husband Tom in on the action so he can help me. He's not home at the moment, he's still at work, so I figured I still need to pack. So I'm currently up in our bedroom, so our room is in the loft. It's pure chaos, but we have people staying at the house. As you can see, my bed is completely stripped. So I've got our bed in, it's been washed, it's on the line drying. And I've got a spare set of bedding that I'm gonna put on for the people that are staying here. So we're being picked up at like 1:30 in the morning. So both myself and my husband probably will not be going to bed tonight because we've got so much to do. And then before they leave, when we come home, they'll just strip that, and then they said they very kindly don't mind making it with my bed in again, so I'm going to get all that ready. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, I really hope you'll consider hitting the subscribe button and joining me here on YouTube. And we're going to jump straight in. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to attempt just to get this bedroom done. So this is our room, so I'm going to make the bed. I'm going to then switch off and pack my case so I can get it out of the way. That's a separate video, so I won't include that in this. Then I'm left with just like a clear surface that I can just dust, hoover, mop, that sort of thing. So I want to start in here before I move down, so it doesn't get all jumbled. So I'm hoping it'll be in some sort of order. So I thought if we start at the top of the house and work our way down, we're kind of getting there. So let's go. Like I said in the introduction, we are just starting in our bedroom. So this is a loft conversion, if you're new to my channel, that we did back last year. My husband started it and we actually moved up in January of this year, so we've been up here for about 6 months now. So I do typically try my best to keep on top of it, because we've got like storage that we obviously built, which is custom for us. I make sure everything's got a home, so it's just so much easier to keep on top of. And I try and dust it once a week, keep on top of the skirtings, things like that. What you're seeing me do here is obviously dust. I'm cleaning all the mirrors because we have people staying here, so I just wanted to make sure it was like extra nice, clean for them. Yeah, bed's been made, running around with the Hoover in a second, and then I can then take the suitcases down, and then I then move to the like middle level of the house, which is where the kids' bedrooms are. I wanna lay in your arms, come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 you wanna do, yeah, 'cause I'd do anything. I just wanna be with you. How can you make me feel this way? Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me. Okay, and probably the quickest clean ever. This is my daughter's bedroom, my youngest daughter's bedroom. This bedroom is always really clean and put together because I keep on top of it, so it literally just needed a Hoover in here because I'd polished it the day before. And then we're moving downstairs because the older two children's bedrooms had actually been done the day before, and I had suitcases there, so I didn't need to actually do anything in there other than zip the cases up and take them downstairs. So I've just gone ahead now and I'm in our front room, or our living room if you call it that. So what I wanted to do in here is give everything a dust, so all of the surfaces, and then hoover the sofa, because our dog likes to get up on the sofa, and I've said it before in my videos, but he molts quite badly, so I like to just make sure I keep on top of the sofa, and I'm just taking out anything that doesn't need to be in here, so like my little one's chunky suitcase, just getting that all in the kitchen before we move on into the hallway.
It's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guide.
It's so crazy now I'm watching this footage back because I remember, you can see me here, I've got my phone in my hand. So we actually went away with like my entire family because one of my sisters was getting married. That is the reason why we went on holiday, obviously to attend the wedding. So I was literally like in between, I'm not kidding you when I tell you this was probably about midnight that I'm doing all of this, and in between me like cleaning like a crazy lady, I'm taking FaceTime calls from like one of my sisters. Have you forgotten this? Have you got this? Should I take this? I cannot believe, like I can multitask, but I actually amazed myself this night. But yeah, almost done in the front room. It's not a crazy clean, it was just like surface floor just to make it kind of like nice and fresh for the people that were going to be staying here.
I'll be your guiding light. Oh, I'll be your guiding light. Oh, I'll be your guiding light.
And then we're just moving into the hallway. So again, same thing. I'm just dusting all the surfaces and then hoovering the floor, mopping the floor, and I actually give the stairs a hoover off because you can see while I was running up and down I was kind of like putting things on the stairs that needed to go up, so I thought, do you know what, while we're here, let's clean the stairs. And bless Tom, actually, while I was doing this, you can see in a minute I'm going between the kitchen. He'd actually just tidied the kitchen and wiped the sides down, which is all that needed doing, because we had ordered takeaway this night, so we didn't actually cook anything, so I didn't need to clean the hob or anything, which saved a huge job. So he was out there prepping all the suitcases, weighing them, playing Jenga, moving stuff around, while I was being a crazy lady cleaning the rest of the house. So yeah, you don't see the kitchen being cleaned in this video because I've only got one camera, and there's only one of me, and it was either I filmed me cleaning or Tom playing Jenga with the suitcases, which, let me tell you, he was very stressed, juggling everything between the suitcases to make sure they weren't over the weight limit. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video and today's speed clean, pre-holiday clean with me. Let me know in the comments if you do this before you go on holiday. I actually felt a bit silly asking the question last year, but so many people said they did, so it made me feel a lot better. So yeah, if you like to clean before holiday, you do you. You do whatever makes you happy. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and like I said, leave me a comment down below. If you're not already and you haven't hit the subscribe button, don't forget to do that before you leave today's video, and I'll see you in my next video, which is our holiday vlog.
The sun sets on fire, tell me